What up everyone, and welcome to tutorial number 11. And in this tutorial we're going to learn how to size the image that we just put in the last tutorial. So we can actually either decrease or increase the width of that image, and to do so it's actually pretty simple. So we're going to write image, since this is the only image we have, so we don't really have to give it a class or anything. So I'm just going to write image, and then I'm gonna write width, and then I will do, let's say 200 pixel, and I'm not gonna save it, I'm just gonna run it so you guys see the difference before. Oops, launch Chrome. So that's how it's actually normal. And after Internet Explorer, so you can actually run it on Internet Explorer too, but who uses that anymore? Anyways, so if I refresh it now, see, it got a little bit smaller. So if I go back and let's say I'll do 400 pixel, I can go back and then refresh it, and it's gonna be 400 pixel. And that's it for this tutorial. Actually, it's pretty straightforward. I would suggest, if you actually gonna use this function, the the decrease and increase the size of the picture, the pixel of the image itself will get lost eventually if you make it too big or too small. So I would suggest to actually change it on Photoshop or Illustrator or any of these programs to not lose the clarity of the picture. If it's like you're gonna change, do minor changes to the image, you can use that width function using CSS, but it's recommended to use a program like Photoshop or Illustrator if you want to actually change the size like in a big way, not like, let's say if it's like 50 pixel, that's the original, I want to do it 400 pixel, that would be too much because the picture will eventually be unclear and your website will not look that great. So that's just something recommended, so keep that in mind. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you next time.